Hello, this is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the Jabra Style Edition of the Move headphones with superior quality of sound. These are Bluetooth wireless headphones. So here they are here. We like the striking yellow box cover. It says, "Welcome to superior sound." And here are the headphones right here. They're nice and light, but also they don't feel cheap. We like the buttons. They have solid buttons here on the side. You can use the optional 3.5mm jack or just wireless. This is micro USB charge. There's a charging port right there. And then you have the on and off button. So those are the headphones. These feel nice too. The ear cups, they go on your ear. If you have smaller ears, they might go over your ear. But we would like to let you know that it has up to 14 hours of battery life. You can use this for music and for calls. It has a microphone built in. And it has up to 12 days of standby time. So that is fantastic. This is one of their lighter headphones that they have from Jabra. And this is the Style Edition Move. This is Chris Roshnot. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.